Introducing the BWC090 lightweight body-worn camera video tutorial. To turn on the camera, long press the power button on the side. Upon powering the camera, resolution, battery status, police, and device ID, storage left, date and time is displayed. To capture a snapshot, press the button above. To record audio, press the button below. The USB port below can be used for data transfer or charging the body-worn camera. On the other side of the camera, press the button once for video recording. Press once to access night vision and long press to use the laser pointer function. The last button is to access the light function. Press once respectively to use the flashlight and the auxiliary light. There are 4 buttons located at the bottom of the LCD display. The M button allows you to access the menu settings. In order to access the menu settings, a password is needed. The default password is 7 zeros. You can set a password to protect from unauthorized personnel from accessing the camera. This feature can be disabled or enabled in the settings. To change the settings, simply scroll down to your desired menu settings to make changes using the arrow buttons. To go back, press the button on the right.